can't go hold me down. You can't tell me where fi do, where fi go, how fi dress. Me no papi show.
Hello everyone, this is your friend Jeremy Megolmai. I, on behalf of the Jazz's Softies competition, would like to announce the 3 winners. Before I come to the winners, first let's go to the top likes and top views. So before I announce who got the highest likes and views, I would like to mention one thing, that is, we closed these top likes and views by 15 October 2021 at 11 p.m. So, the top most likes and views goes to the same person, that is contestant number 29, Blessing Vasa. She got the highest likes and views by 2.7k views and 562 likes. You got the highest views and likes in this competition. Congratulations to you, Blessing Vasa. Okay, now let's go to the most interesting part. That is, now I'll be declaring the 3 winners of this competition. I will be declaring from the least to the top. The 3rd winner of this competition goes to contestant number 7, Leah Hagruzam. Congratulations to you, Leah Hagruzam. You got the 3rd position in this competition. And the 2nd winner of this competition goes to contestant number 6, Soul Sisters. Soul Sisters, congratulations to you. You got the 2nd position in this competition. Now let's go to the winner. Who got the winner? So let's check it out. The winner of this online reels dance competition goes to contestant number 26, Beberson Chiru. Congratulations, Beberson Chiru. You got the 1st position. You are the winner of this competition. Congratulations to you from our side, and your performance was really awesome and outstanding. So thanks so much for participating, and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.
Real bad girl, son of boy can't try program me. Me no need donation, autonomous can't try come program me. Nanny never go a war for me, sit down in a 2020 slavery. Sheng yang if you ma chat your business data. Too insecure that youth is a. Watch your pum pum, what you call that? Do your own thing, stop fuck with. What if him love beg your money too? Can't pay rent and a bother you. Can't program me. Nanny never go a war for me, sit down in a 2020 slavery.